Hi y'all. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different burgers. We're going to start with a teriyaki burger. The next is going to be a cheesy stuffed burger. And then the third is going to be a very cool bacon cheeseburger. So come on, let me show you.
Alright, now
we're going to start with some hamburger meat. This is enough to make 2 burgers, okay? Or 1 giant one. We're going to use some teriyaki sauce. Yep. Going to kind of cheat with this. Get your hands in there real good and get them dirty. You want a pinch of salt. A nice pinch of pepper. We're going to use some garlic powder. Onion powder. And as I say it, paprika. My grandson absolutely hates it when I say that.
why?
Alright, let's make a nice burger bun out of this. Ready? It's going to make a couple burgers and we're going to cook up 1 each right now. Here's the first one. Shoo! Yeah, here we go. This is made with hamburger meat that's 90-10, okay? 10% fat. It's not going to shrink up as much as those 80-20s, okay, guys? Now we're going to move on to our cheesy stuffed burger. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Same seasoning, salt, paprika. You can say something? Garlic powder and onion powder. I'm actually talking to my grandson who's stomping around because I am not pronouncing paprika the way he thinks it ought to be.
No.
He says it should be paprika.
It is paprika. Ask the internet.
The internet doesn't know everything. So, here we go.
Ask the
Try
government.
to get this. Oh, no. Alright, I'm going to make a little bit of hole here, and we're going to put some feta cheese down in there. Not a lot. But we do want our Colby Jack down in there. And I'm going to fold it over. Whew. Think you're going to like this?
Yep.
Yep. Alright. And again, we are going to, this is a 90-10. I really like 90-10, especially if I'm adding stuff to it. Here's some more feta in here, some more Colby Jack, and we're going to fold it again. I got a mouse over there taking my cheese. Alright, burger number 2 of this. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. Okay, now we're going to do this bacon burger. This is an ultimate. I've already cooked these onions, okay? So you take diced cooked onions you want to put down in there. Then, I've already cooked some bacon. See, I've crumbled it up. You kind of want to do the cooked bacon. You don't have to cook it all the way done, but you do have to cook it. Otherwise, it comes out with a really weird texture. It doesn't actually taste like it's been cooked. I'm going to go ahead and add my famous seasonings with just my pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika.
Paprika!
Now, we're going to mix it all together. So, these aren't going to be great big burgers, okay? Sometimes I make giant burgers, and sometimes I just want a nice little 4-ounce. But honestly, I think this is more of a 6-ounce. My husband likes those big 12 ounces. go. Alright. I've seasoned the inside. There's no reason to season the outside, okay? And we're going to take it over to the grill. So y'all come on. Alright. We're going to start putting these on the grill. And this is teriyaki burgers right here. Hand me one of them burgers, honey. Okay, this is the cheese stuff. I'm going to put that in the center one because I've got that on low. And then we're going to do that bacon onion burger. I've got this on the grill and it's cooking on about 400 right now. Yep. And we're going to let it sit and cook for just a little bit. And I'll be flipping and showing you. Alright, I think it's ready to turn. Look at that good sear.
Oh.
Cheese.
Cheese is melting right out of there. Oh, I see bacon coming right out of that. Look at that.
Alright, we got a few more minutes. Well, I would say that these are done. And I also put my buns up there to heat them up. And that's all I'm doing with them is getting them nice and warm, not toasted or nothing. There we go. Turn this grill off. All done. Now we're going to go inside. And I'm going to show you how to put these all together for a really tasty, tasty burger. Okay, we're going to start with a bacon burger, the cheese stuffed, and the teriyaki. Now, cheese stuffed teriyaki. I'm going to let that sit for a second because those are so hot, they're going to melt in just a second. Alright, we're going to put some chipotle sauce on here. Hope you can handle this, Rip.
Is it spicy?
A little bit.
Great.
And onions on the teriyaki. I've already cooked these. Oh, don't they look good? You probably don't think so, do you? He's not crazy about onions.
I like tomatoes less. I like cooked onions. I don't like raw onions.
I like fajitas. Some thin ones here.
Yeah. True.
Now,
But tomatoes.
put this on top. And we're going to cut it. And Rip gets to taste test them for y'all guys. Over here. Over here. Over here.
Yeah, over here.
Ready? I'm going to cut these burgers.
That is the cheese, I believe.
Yep. You want to try it?
Sure.
You can wait.
That sauce, I
Yeah,
know it's
I
gonna
know you're
burn.
starving. This is the teriyaki.
Wait.
Or is that the bacon?
That's
Ah,
the bacon.
Okay.
Good job.
You just got to look at it.
That
Is the cheese. See that?
and that's the teriyaki.
This is the
That's the
teriyaki. See that? Mm-hmm.
I love how you don't even know what burgers they are. The only one I remember is bacon because it's the one with.
Alright, try this.
Alright.
Ready?
So what kind is this again?
Try it and find out.
Okay. Oh, the cheese is burning.
Mm-hmm. But I think there might be a problem.
What?
I think I did. Looks like I did 2 cheese and no teriyaki. We're gonna have to go do the teriyaki.
Good job.
Yep, we'll try this one. The bacon one. Try it. You like it?
Bacon's best.
Spot on. Y'all give me a minute. Let me make the teriyaki for you. Okay, we're going to do that teriyaki burger that I forgot. Typically, I would put cheese on here, but I've got a lot of cheese anyways. Same condiments. And he's going to try it out. I'll try this one.
Sure. That's good.
So which one's your favorite?
Probably bacon.
Because you like bacon. Thank y'all. I appreciate you coming in and watching the video of me making all these different recipes, all these different burgers, and introducing my grandson, River, who does a lot of my editing, and watching the mess that I create and the mistakes, because this is just naturally me. I do good and I mess up. So, it's Grandma. So, until next time, thanks guys.
Bye.
Bye.